In the book row component, if we have a list item, then we show the rating right in line if that particular book is finished. And here in the Discover page, we're rendering those book rows, and we have the status buttons right here. We can mark this as red, but we're not seeing that rating show up right here like it should when that book is red. So let's come over here and let's use our list item query to get this list item. Now this is actually going to be pretty much just like our status buttons component here. So I'm going to copy all of this to get our list item. And then we'll need to bring in use query from React query. And we'll need to bring in our client from utils API client. And then with that, we come over here and search for Lord of the Rings. And there it is. Ta-da! So now we have our rating stars in the book row. In review, all that we did for this is we took that same query code that we had in our status buttons and brought it over here to the book row so we could get the list item that's associated to the book that's being represented by this row. We had to import use query and our own client. And one thing I want to call out very specifically here is that we have to use the same query key for both of these queries for React Query to associate these two things together. Additionally, we need the query function to be exactly the same as well. Otherwise, we could be loading different data into the same spot of our cache, which would be a very bad and confusing thing to happen.